In the world of football, the color of a team's kit can make a surprising difference. Ever wonder why so many successful teams wear red? It's not just a popular color, there's science behind it. Studies have shown that teams wearing red are more likely to win. Sounds odd, right? But it's true. Researchers believe that red can give players a psychological edge, making them appear more aggressive and dominant. It also makes a team more intimidating to their opponents. So, next time you see a team in red, remember, they're not just making a fashion statement. They're tapping into the power of color psychology, using red to boost their chances of victory. So, if you're starting a football team, you might want to consider going for the color red. It's not just a color, it's a winning strategy. Welcome to the fascinating world of football color psychology.